اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي.
Concorde Dar Al Khair hotel is there, and Moonpig Al Anwar 5-star hotel is here. So the hotel is next to the Moonpig Al Anwar hotel, and the closest gate location is 326. Here is the Haram.
لا إله إلا أنت وحدك لا شريك لك. اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني
This is the beautiful lobby area of Concorde Dar Al Khair hotel.
وأصلح لي شأني كله.
And also Concorde Dar Al Khair, they have their own coffee shop here inside the lobby, and you can have your morning coffee after your Fajr prayer from this coffee shop. So this is one of my favorite custom made Shai Adani. Come on, يلا تفضل. This is the beautiful corridor area of Concorde Dar Al Khair, and in between the corridors you have sofas here. From the elevators you can sit here and take a breath. Concorde Dar Al Khair hotel has double room, triple room, quad room and queen room. Now let me go to their floor and show you their room setups. Now let me go inside one triple room and show you the room setup and their washroom and the room amenities. Let me go inside the room number 1409. Once you enter, in your right side you have your tea and coffee making facilities. You have your kettle. It's minimal, because of it's an economy hotel. On the other side it's your bathroom. This is your shower cabin, and you have towel here. As it's triple room, you have 3 towel, and you have very minimal amenities because it's a 3-star hotel. Let me show the beds. You have a table and chair, and you have a TV, and this is your one bed. Again you have one chair, and this is your second bed, and this is your third bed. Let me show the view of the room. Yes, it's a city view room.
اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى.
Not bad, it's an economy hotel. It's a 3-star hotel, but the location of this hotel is very closer to Masjid Al Haram, Madinah. And now let me show you a quad room setup of Concorde Dar Al Khair Hotel, Madinah. Once I enter the room, this is the bathroom of your hotel. Minimal amenities. This is your shower cabin, hair dryer. It's very spacious washroom. Once I turn, this is your quad room. 1, 2, 3, 4 bed, and you have a table and a chair along with the TV. You have mirror and luggage rack, and again you have tea and coffee making facilities here, and water bottle. This is your mini bar. Yes, it's working. You can keep your juices or fruits or fresh foods here. This is your cupboard, and you have extra blankets and extra pillows. Here they don't have safe box because it's an economy hotel. The beds are here compared to the other 5-star hotel. Little smaller beds, but it's okay. Actually, it's an economy hotel, value for money deal, and the location is more closer, and the hotel rooms are very spacious, and you can see the beds here. If you are a person who would like to stay closer to Haram, closer to Masjid Al Nabawi, but with the minimal rates, less than the 5-star hotel rates, this hotel is one of the good choice for you. Let me go inside a queen room, which is 5 beds. Once you come, you have your bathroom in your right side. This is your minimal amenities. This is your shower cabin, and your towels here, and here your kettle and water bottles. This is your cupboard, and once you enter here you have 5 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have a table and chair, and this is your TV. Here you can see the Moonpig Al Anwar Tower, and between you can see Masjid Al Nabawi from here. From your window it's a slight partial view. I just want to show you how closer this hotel is, and this is your room.
لا إله إلا أنت وحدك لا شريك لك.
And you can stay here in one room with 5 beds with your entire family here. How convenient is this? If you are a couples, you can choose double room or triple room, but if you are a big family with kids, you can choose either quad room or queen room. You have all options here. You can choose what you like. And also Concorde Dar Al Khair, they have a restaurant called Al Rehab Restaurants. They have minimal foods, minimal breakfast for those who are coming and staying here. shakshuka. Shurba. Take it upon. Let me show you how you can reach Haram from Concorde Dar Al Khair. Once you come out, you will see the Moon Peak here.
واصلح لي شأني كل
Haram is there. You will get gate number 327 and 326. Less than a minute walk from Concorde Dar Al Khair towards the Masjid Al Haram, Madinah.
لا إله إلا أنت وحدك لا شريك.
And if you would like to know more about the Makkah and Madinah hotels, please check the playlist in my YouTube channel. You will find many hotel video tours. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Yalla ma'as salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.